guys, thank you for coming with me to Five Below. Let's take a look. So look what I see up here, guys. These are Garfield t-shirts. I'm a Friday person and a Monday world. Isn't that adorable? This one says good vibes. Okay, these are Star Wars, so that's really pretty. Look at these. These are Star Wars too. And this one says Millennium and Darth Vader. That's pretty cool. Here's another one. Let me see. I don't want to unravel these. That one says your snacks. Here is Harley Quinn. Sonic. Okay, so we have this one, and then we have a Marvel one here. And that's Batman. I like that one. I have this one here. This is Pokemon. I like the black and white. Procrastinators, leaders of tomorrow. Wow. I don't think so. Over here we have all of their water shoes. So I'm just going to scan that for you. And all of these, again, these are $5. I was looking for, well, let's, and the shoes, of course. Let me scan those for you guys. It's the same area I was in before. So they have this t-shirt here with SpongeBob. That's really cute with the cut-off sleeve. These look so comfortable, guys. Look at that. This one. Very comfortable, guys. We're just walking through. It's really nice. Let's see. New York, so hard. Sometimes they don't have what's up on the board down here on display, so. These are really cute, aren't they? I didn't notice these coffee cups before, so they come with your initial. So there's the C and the green, the A and the pink. This is Brunch Club and Vampire. That's cute. And look at this, it's a hedgehog. Look at this box here, guys. This painting here. It's just like a shadow box, like that says love. That's cute. This one says believe in pink. You know, I really like this. Saw it the last time. Very nice, guys. So let's see. Oh, look at this. I don't think I saw this the last time. Look at that. Shaped like a crystal. That's pretty. And these mats, the cotton printed ones, they're $5 and they come in that color. And this kind, and this kind. Okay, so guys, here is a selfie shutter ring. So I guess that's $5 or those are $4, I'm not sure. And then they have this fisheye lens selfie. My son said this was really good. This is the bigger, the wider one. I don't know. Then over here you have the cat eye. bunch of those. Motion activated light strip. And then the LED lights in colors. So guys, here they have a 3-pack of these lights. So even if a 3-pack, they have these at Dollar Tree, a 3-pack it still should be $3. So the better buy is at Dollar Tree. But this light thing here, this jumbo light bar, I think is a nice idea. I like that. And what is this? Oh, this is an HD TV antenna indoor. I didn't know they had those here.
So like the flood of open your phone.
So here is an indoor extension cord.
Like you charge it, you put it in your phone.
6
That
foot
side going in here.
tangle-free fiber
Other side
cord.
going in the Apple. The charger.
And then look at
Now
this.
once
This is
you
a table
charge,
clamp stand for your phone.
Put the small one in your
That's
phone.
an interesting idea. Then lock up your cell phone. Tension. You know, that's a good idea. When you have people trying to look into your phone and grab your phone. I like that idea. There's a little way. This is nice, LED. And they have even a gaming charge cord, guys. And you know what? The gaming charge cord, well, I don't know if you can use these with iPhones, but the mouse I can try. Clear case for switch. Let me see if you can use these for... Doesn't say anything about that because that's made for gaming. But I think I can use the gaming earbuds and the mouse. I'll give that a try, guys, and then yeah, I think I'm gonna give that a try. Can't hurt. So you have your regular earbuds over here. Just kind of scan through those, yes. Really depends on what you guys find comfortable, but you know what? These are not bad. I use these, so I know they're not bad. At least you can use them for a little while until you know, what's the worst thing that can happen, guys? You come out and buy a new one. It's still only $5. I got this cup holder phone mount for the car, and I'm loving it. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for taking this. Music's getting loud. So thank you for coming with me, guys, to Five Below, just to check out their audio section. And I will see you or talk to you in the next video. Bye.